Antix. This is my first ever cocktail podcast. So super fun. And to my left here, I have an amazing guest. His name is?
My name is Adrian. I am the owner for Premier Cocktail Events. You can find me on Instagram at Premier Cocktail Events.
Awesome. And then how long have you been bartending?
I've been bartending for about 5 years.
5 years?
I've owned the company. I started my company back in August. And so I launched my company. I was working for my sister. She has her own mobile bartending company. So I was with them since day one and decided to do my own thing. So here I am doing my own thing.
Yay! Yes! Being independent and launching out our own business.
Exactly.
So what are you going to teach me today? Like the ingredients?
We're going to do a raspberry mojito.
Ooh, raspberry mojito.
We're going to do it, kind of keep it with the color scheme of red. It's probably going to be like a little lighter on the pink side. So we're going to start off with 3 raspberries.
Okay.
And then we're going to grab a couple of mint leaves. And then we're just going to rip it up. And then we're just going to muddle it just a little bit. Just kind of break up the flavors, especially like the raspberries. And we want the raspberries to break up. And then we also want the oils of the mint to release. Go and start smelling it.
Oh yeah, I love it. I love mint. I'm a big basil person, so basil and mint is my jam.
It's your jam. You know, I have a basil drink and it's with peaches.
Oh, that's so funny. I have a peach thing here, but that's Tell me more about your basil peach.
About my basil. So I created it over the summer, and so it's pretty much it's a vodka base, or it can also be gin, and then. So we're going to do 2 ounces of house sour. And so it's pretty much vodka, peaches, and basil. Muddle peaches into the basil. We muddle that, and then we do
Oh, this is so yummy.
and then we give it a good shake. Alright, and then we're going to pour it into our cup.
Yummy.
And then just add a little splash of...
Oh, you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
This is a trick, y'all. Like when you buy your Seltzer Water Club Soda's tonic,
Do not open it
full.
because that thing will explode in your face.
Unless you like that kind of stuff. Done. Woo! Ooh.
And then we're going to garnish it with a couple of raspberries.
Yay!
And then we're going to garnish it with
Yay!
and this is our raspberry mojito.
Yummy.